Are you tired of buffering, freezing, and channels not loading? You pay for IPTV, but it feels broken. The truth is, most problems come from simple mistakes. Fix them today, and your IPTV will run smooth again. Step 1. Using slow or unstable internet. This is the most common mistake. IPTV needs stable speed, not just high speed. Minimum required is 10 Mbps for HD and 25 Mbps for 4K. But stability matters more than speed. Solution. Restart your router. Go to your router, unplug it, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back. Use a wired connection if possible. Avoid Wi-Fi if your signal is weak. If using Wi-Fi, switch to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Step 2. Not using a VPN when required. Some internet providers block IPTV traffic. This causes buffering or channels not loading. Solution: install a trusted VPN. Connect to a nearby server, then open your IPTV app again. Test different servers for best performance. Step 3. Using overloaded IPTV servers. Cheap IPTV services often overload their servers. This causes lag during peak hours. Solution: contact your IPTV provider. Ask for a different server or playlist, or switch to a more reliable provider. Check user reviews before buying. Step 4. Incorrect app settings. Many users ignore app settings. Wrong settings cause buffering and crashes. Solution: open your IPTV app. Go to settings, then go to player settings, then select hardware decoder. Turn it on. Then go to buffer size and set it to medium or large. Restart the app. Step 5. Outdated app or device. Old apps and devices cause compatibility issues. Solution: update your IPTV app from the official store. Go to settings, then go to about, then select software update. Install the latest version. If your device is very old, consider upgrading. Bonus tip: clear cache regularly. Cache builds up and slows performance. Solution: go to settings, then go to apps, then select your IPTV app, then select clear cache. If you still face any issue, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Fix these mistakes and enjoy smooth IPTV streaming with confidence.